Hello guys, welcome to this Canva designing class. So from here I'm going to start by taking you around the Canva app. So this is the Canva app here if you have it, but if you don't have it, the only thing you will do is to go to Play Store, go for it here, search for Canva, you search for it, it will bring out the Canva for you. I already have it, so that's why it's telling me to update. So if you don't have it here, it will be installed. Then you will now tap the install, and after downloading, you will install in your phone, and you are ready for the designing. So for here now, I don't need it, so I have to go to the Canva now. Here we are on Canva now. As it's still opening here, you see this is the Canva interface as you just open it. But because I've been using Canva, that's why it's showing like this. If it's your first time of using Canva, it may ask you some things like register to the Canva. You may register with your Gmail, your Facebook, or you can use your email to register. The reason why you are to register, so that all your information will remain intact. Even if maybe you lost your phone or you change phone, immediately you log in, every of your information or your project will come out again. So here now is what I want to tell you, all these things here on their Canva interface. So starting is all this showing here, they are all templates. They are all templates that you can use for everything. We have template you can use for logos, for stories on Instagram or Facebook. Instagram posts, you can just use from here to design anything you want to design. Flyers, Instagram stories, posters, mobile videos, invitation card, any kind of invitation. Then t-shirt, to the template you can use to design t-shirts and other things. Then YouTube thumbnails, if you want to design thumbnail for your YouTube video, come here. Photo collage, you can use here to use this collage for your photos. Then phone wallpaper, you can take your wallpaper from here, design and use, customize it and use. Presentation, maybe you want to do a presentation, maybe teaching or any kind of thing in your office, you can use this presentation. Documents, these are documents, you can from here design the certificate, design any kind of thing that you want to give to people. They are all documented. Then Facebook cover, you can design here for your Facebook cover. Videos, business card, ordinary card like invitation card or other thing. Then Instagram reel. So these are the things you can see. When you look at it, you see all. When you want to see more, just click on it and you see varieties of template that you can use. So apart from that, that is your home page. This place is your home page that I'm showing you. That's where you see. So for here now, these are the one they are suggesting. So you want to do something on social media, you can, all these things we have seen down here, you can see, follow up here to see them. You see this one, social media, video, presentation, document, whiteboard, a website, and more. You click there, you see more. Any kind of thing you want to design, maybe you want to design for website, you click here and you get some templates you have to use for it. So here now will be your projects. So anytime you do any project, it will be here. Maybe you want to go back for all the projects that you have designed, you will see them here. So here now you see my design. I have plenty. I have designed almost 600. I've been given certificate for 500 design on Canva. So when you see here is delaying, all these ones, they are all my design. They are all my design. All these ones, They are all my designs. So here you still go down, you see them one by one, show more, you see them images. There are some that are images, there are some that are videos, there are some that are PDF and other thing. So this is what this project for. Then this plus sign is if you want to customize or want to check something, want to go here to take a customized size for whatever thing you want to do, which all this is going to add in subsequent videos. So with that, it will bring you to this custom size, mobile, all those things that we have seen. They are here. Here is where you can choose their measurements. You can choose all the measurements by yourself, not the one that is in Canva. Here you just look at it, you see the measurement here, so that if you are confused, you don't know the measurement you want to use, if you just touch here, you will see the measurement. If you just touch, you see the measurement by it, so that if it is the measurement that you are looking for, you can just use it. So we come out again, you come here, this is all the template that we have seen before. You can still go to this template here, you see a lot of them again, see a lot of templates. So here you can type to get what you want. Just type here. We have, as you can see here now, have different things. Color you want, are you looking for a particular color for design, you search for it here. You search for, type it on this search thousands of template, you type it here and get it. If you're looking for summer, food, school, birthday, college, any kind of thing, just type it here. The type of template that you are looking for will come out. It will come out. There are as many as anything that you can do on Canva. Then this is Canva Pro. You don't have anything to do with it if you don't want to purchase. So this one is you want to pay, so that you can be able to use all the professional design. But you can do with free version. So me, I always use the free version, so I'm okay with the free version. So here now, let me go to a flyer, so that from there I can show you more things that you have to do. So let's go see all. So when I click that see all, the flyer, different kinds of them will come out. Here you can also select the kind of flyer or anything you want. Portrait, you want it to be portrait, you select it. Want it to be landscape, you select it. Then portrait and landscape, you select. Then so here you see style, theme, features, grade, subject, topic. You can search for anything that you want to talk about. Maybe you want to design about COVID-19, you search for it, you will come. I want to talk about lost dog, you design about lost dog. Back to business, any kind of thing that you want to design, just if you can't see it here, just type it, it will come out. You can also take blank space, blank page, then you can design whatever thing you want to design. And as you are going here now, you see that they are written pro. All these ones, they are written pro. You cannot use them because you have to pay before you use the design. So all you have to do is to use all these ones that they are not anything on them. All these one, nothing on them, like pro. Like this one, if you want to make use of this one, you have to pay before you use it, so you leave them. So you look for any one. Let's use this one here, so that I can still tell you other things that you need to know about Canva. Okay, so let's say you want to make use of this to design a flyer. Want to design a flyer for your business or anything. So immediately you click it, it has come here. So here now you can change things that are here. You can put your picture, bring your picture, put it here, you enter. I'll teach you how to do that in our subsequent videos. So this one here, you can change the colors, you can remove some things that you don't need here. You can add something that you want to add. So if you want to do all those other ones, all you have to do is go to this plus sign. You go to this plus sign here, it's going to take you to another place. So here it will first take you to the templates. Maybe you want to change the template, you don't like that one again, you want to change another one, you can select another one, so that's this design, template design. Can also show you style of the design, the template, so you can check how you want it to be. So here you make your options. So but we are not talking about that one now. So now we have something like element. Element is any kind of thing that you want to search for, that you want it, maybe like image or anything that you want it to be on the design, like shapes, graphic, stickers, photos, videos, audios, any kind of thing, charts, tables, frames, grid, any kind of thing that you want to search for. So you go to this element, and when you come to this element, you may not see the one you are looking for here. So all you have to do is to search for it. You search for the element. We have line, arrows, circle, square, star, heart, if you are talking about shape, Instagram, email, anything. So any kind of thing that you want to design, just go to this search elements, you search for it. So after that, we come to text. When you need text, this is where it will bring you text. So we have headings here, we have subheadings, we also have little text. So you can select any of these three for your design, or you use the ones that has been pre-designed for you. Most of them are pro, so you don't need to take them. So those ones that are not pro, you can make use of them. So all these one here, you can select any of these one. If you like any of the design and you think that it will bring out your design, you use them. So this is all about text. So here also you have gallery. This gallery here now is where you will go to your phone, to your device, to take a picture. Let's say you want to change this picture here, so you, with your own, just go to this place, gallery, go to this gallery to bring out different images of yours. Then you now pick one and you will put it there. So all this one, I'm still going to teach it one after the other, how to add images and all that thing. So this one, brand hub, this one, brand hub, all these, some of these one, they are mostly of pro. All of them are pro. So this place now, if you know that some companies, they have their brand color, they have their logos, they have their all these things. So is this brand hub that you can be able to use to design a brand for a company and all that thing. This upload here is all the things that you have uploaded from one time or the other in on Canva. So when you want to repeat a picture, you can go to this upload and take picture that you have used before, or video that you have used before, or audio that you have used before. You just go to this upload and you will easily get it. So here, draw, you can draw, or go to a plane this thing and use your hand. For those that are good in drawing, you can use here to draw whatever thing you want to draw and use it for your design. So this app too is also for designing. So they are trending things that you have to do here, like all these one. If you want to connect to your documents or that thing, maybe you want to upload documents or that thing, you can use it. Or maybe you still want to design multiple, have a multiple design at once, you can go to that place and you will use it. So here, the project, like I told you before, the project, the one that you have done before, you can go to this project and you see it. We also have photos that are from the Canva. So these photos are from Canva, so you can go to this photo and you see different kinds of, see here they say millions of photos, depending on any kind that you want. You want to see children in school learning, just type it here, it will bring out the picture for you, any kind of picture. And all these, some of these pictures, they are pro, so not all that you can easily use. That is, you just want to use a random picture from Canva, this is where you will go, this photo here. Then this place is audio. You want to use audio from the Canva, you can go to this audio and you will get to it. Then background. So sometimes you want to put your own background while designing, so you just go to the background. Different background will come out that you can use. So you can see the plain ones, plain, that you just use color. If you like any color that you want here, you can just use it and you get what you want. That will learn about background. You will get to know it, how to upload background. You will see what I'm talking about. So for now, different kind of things, so you can change all these things here when we start. So this place here, the arrow facing down, if you just finish and you want to download it, you can just go straight here to download. But if you don't want to do like that, you just go to the one facing arrow up, so that you make your options. So the arrow up facing up is used to make your options when you are to save. You know you are to use PNG. You have to download with PNG. You have to save as file. You have to share all the things that you want to do. Send it to Facebook, send it to Twitter, TikTok, any kind of thing. So here is where you choose it. So the download now, you go to this download to also know how you are to save it, and they make your choice on how to save it. This place here can show you how to choose PNG, JPG, PDF standard, PDF print, all these video, depending on the kind of design you are making. So that's how you are to do it. So after which you have selected, you select the number of pages you want to download. Then you can click on that download and you are done. So with time, I'm going to tell you all this. These three dots here is for you use it to change the name, to name the thing you are designing. You will use it to name. So just go to this place, though I'm going to still teach all this one, but I just want to show you. So all these places you can go, just play around the Canva, play around it from time to time, so that you'll be able to get it right. Thank you, and see you in the next lesson.